Super excited. Ordered a new bumper for Scout from Wicked Bumpers. And guess what came today? The bumper came. All right, introduce yourself, man.
Hey, I'm Ben, the owner.
From Wicked Bumpers, all the way up in
Southeast Nebraska, Humboldt.
This is a long way for somebody to bring a bumper, but I had to have this one made specifically because my truck, we've got the tow package on it, and I can't just put a regular go off the shelf bumper on it because then it would not work with my tow package. So this one we had specially made. I'm gonna turn this around. I'll get some shots of it in a second here, but this will bolt right up to Scout. After I get it powder coated, I'm gonna get it flat black, maybe a couple red accents, but it's gonna look awesome. Can't wait to get it on. Here's my new bumper. Really nice. Awesome looking bumper. Wicked Bumpers custom fab this for me. You can see the cutouts here. These are for my tow stuff, you know, so I can tow this behind the RV. Me and Johan are gonna fit it up today. We're gonna take the other bumper off. We're gonna fit it up so we can make sure that it fits properly the way we want it to fit. And let's take a look at that bumper. The original one, it's cool, but it's plastic also. So this other one is 3/16 steel, custom made. It's gonna look awesome. Can't wait to see it on the Gladiator, and then I gotta get the winch for it as well, but that'll be cool. What do you think, Johan? Yep. Okay, so we got it fitted up here. Always remember to press the button to record. It looks like it's gonna fit pretty good. You can see he cut perfectly so that this will fit right over there, and it looks like it's gonna do the job. Yeah, it looks good, huh? It's a little crooked, but that's okay. Once we get the bolts in, it'll be just fine. Yeah. So once it's on there, I think it's gonna be cool. I'll get the worn winch and all that kind of stuff with the whatever. Okay, cool. Yeah, now we get to take it off and powder coat it. So now we're here at Powder Coating Plus, dropping off the bumper. They got all the ovens and everything here. We're gonna get it powder coated, do a nice flat black with the texture. Gonna look good. Next, let's see me when we pick it up. See if the beard's growing anymore. Hey guys, I'm here at Powder Coating Plus picking up the bumper. Ready to see it? Let's see how it looks. Booyah. How's it going, bro? I love it. Came out nice, didn't it? Cool. Now I'm gonna go pick up the winch. Get that as well, get that on there. All right guys, super excited. Today the bumper comes off. We're gonna get the new one on, the Wicked bumper. My guy Ben up in Nebraska. So we're gonna take this thing off, get the other one situated on there, get it all prepped, move the lights over, and then get it on. If you're interested in having a bumper made by Wicked Bumpers or any other kind of custom work at all, give Ben a call up there in Nebraska. They're a small company, but everything that they build is custom for the application, and it is all handmade with quality workmanship, craftsmanship. You can't go wrong with a bumper for them. 3/16 steel, super heavy duty. And the one thing that we realized when we actually went and took the other bumper off was, man, the difference is huge. This is a totally different bumper, and it could actually save your life one day. So give them a call. Now we got to pull the lights out, get those ready to go in the other bumper. Taking this bumper apart is pretty easy, actually. Just a bunch of black clips that are just like the ones in the little spacer you'll find on top of the bumper. I suggest saving those because you may find them useful in the future if you have to use them somewhere else on the Jeep. But you're going to take those out, then you're going to take the entire bumper apart so that you can actually remove the lighting. It's pretty simple to do, and when you do, again, you'll see how poorly this bumper is made. It's really just a piece of plastic and very thin metal. The 3/16 steel bumper we're putting on is a lot heavier, and it's definitely beefier. Okay, so now I've got the lights out. and I've got to run them through the new bumper. Everything's set up so it'll mount right to it. Just got to bolt them in, screw them in, and then run my wiring through it so that it'll be nice. Then I'll be able to get it situated. So now I'm going to run my wiring through. So getting the lights in couldn't be any easier. Ben has them already tapped and everything, drilled and tapped. All I had to do was drop the light in and use the original screws that came with it. Boom. And once we get it up there, if you wanted to, you can just put the, there we go, you ready? Lift it up. So what we're gonna do is, if you watch down there, yeah, we're just gonna go right. Okay, so lift your front, bring your front face this way. And it'll go right up against it like so. Are you sitting on something? Is it sitting on? You got one in?
You still have one, Brian?
I got one. I don't know how I'm missing this. What am I doing wrong? I can feel the hole. There it is, right there. So we found this hole that Rob thought I was just a dipshit. Turns out is just smaller than the other holes. I know exactly what we're gonna do with that. And left, there we go. Should be able to just set it on it. Yeah. I don't know why. I got, we'll put it like that. And
Not that far off.
not at all. I'd say that's good enough, wouldn't you? I'm gonna do this and see if I can get this. I don't know why this is tightening up and I can't get this off of here now. So let me explain to you what's going on. That's Rob grinding off my wrench because the stupid wrench, the way that this nut fits on there, which is fine, everything looks great, but then I used a socket, a closed-end sock ratcheting wrench, and it just happened to fall right in line. There's a little lip in there. Now you can't get the wrench off at all. So we're gonna cut it off. And in the meantime, see if I can get this in here. Look at that. That's my thumb. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Do not use one of these. This is the culprit. It's just small enough to get wedged behind there and cause that. All right, so I'm cleaning up a little bit here. Clean up this mess. The last thing I have to do before I can put the winch on is figure out where I'm gonna put the lighting and the breakaway thing. Do not use this. So I gotta tell you, I love what Wicked Bumpers did. Everything Wicked Bumpers did fit right the first time. And it should have taken us 20 minutes to put it on. Instead, I'm probably gonna lose a fingernail because I smashed it with when I was trying to use a chisel to get this stupid thing off. This will slip right behind the little bumper plate and not come out. It just won't come out at all if you use one of these. So don't, unless you got an extra one of these. Anyways, that's good for the thumbnail. Ow! Ow! Okay, so I think I figured out where I'm gonna put the breakaway switch. It's gonna go right here. And then I think I'm gonna put the lighting on the other side, so. Yep. Now that I've calmed down a little bit and my finger is just throbbing, I'm doing much better. We're gonna get this on, then we're gonna tape it off, spray paint it a little bit so that it matches a little better. I'm using some 8mm Torx, or actually Allen head. Got these from my front runner rack. There's the first one. Second one's already in there. Just need the nut. Got it here. I think that's actually coming out pretty nice. Keeps everything up high. I was gonna put it low at first, but I decided I'd put everything up higher so that it won't get destroyed off-roading. Keeps everything out of the way. Okay, good. Now I'll get this taped up a little bit. Try to get a little paint on it so it looks halfway decent. We'll be good to go. Well, it looks pretty good. We do have a saying in maintenance. It goes like this: your finger, your fault. Got nobody to blame but myself. It was just stupid how I got that thing caught up in there, but it came out pretty nice. And I wasn't expecting, wasn't thinking about putting this is the emergency breakaway switch for the tow gear. This is the lighting wire for it. I wasn't even thinking about putting it up there in the beginning. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, but I still need to put the guard on the bottom as well. Debating whether I want to do that tonight or tomorrow. Still need to put the winch in, the Smitty Bilt XRC winch. Thinking about doing that now as well. See what it's going to take. It's about 8 o'clock at night. It's hot, but there's nobody here and I got time. So I'll probably do that. We'll see. Got the Smitty Bilt Gen 3 right here. Let's check it out. So it turns out it comes with a custom fair lead. If I'd have known that, I wouldn't have bought the red one. And I gotta tell you, I like the custom one better. So I'm gonna take the red one off and I'm putting this one on because it just looks cooler. So that's gonna happen. So make sure when you do this that you use a torque wrench. 124 inch-pounds is what you want to torque those nuts on the back to. Nice. Okay. It's 10:30 at night. I'm tired. My thumb hurts like hell, but it was worth it. It looks pretty good. Thumbs up. Anyways, it looks badass. I'm really happy.